In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data from Google Sheets to Pipedrive. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to take a spreadsheet you've been working on in Google Sheets and bring that data into Pipedrive in a clean, organized way. First, open your Pipedrive account and look toward the top of the screen for the menu option with 3 dots, often labeled More. Click on that, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Import Data. This is the main area in Pipedrive where you can bring in information from outside sources, like spreadsheets or other tools. On the Import Data page, you'll see different options for how to bring data into Pipedrive. Since we're working with a Google Sheet, you'll want to select the option called From a Spreadsheet. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Upload File. Before you upload, make sure your Google Sheet has been downloaded to your computer in a compatible format. Pipedrive works well with CSV and XLSX files. In Google Sheets, you can do this by going to the File menu, choosing Download, and then picking either CSV or Excel format. Save that file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated imports folder. Now back in Pipedrive, use the Upload File button to locate the CSV or XLSX file you just saved. Select it and confirm. Pipedrive will read the file and take you to a screen where you can map your columns. This mapping step is really important. Here, Pipedrive shows you the column names from your spreadsheet on one side and lets you choose which Pipedrive field each one should connect to on the other side. For example, if your sheet has a column called Company Name, you'll want to map that to the Organization Name field in Pipedrive. Take a moment to carefully go through each column and make sure it's mapped to the correct field, especially for names, emails, organizations, and any custom fields you might be using. When everything looks correct, click Next to move on. Pipedrive may show you a quick summary of what's about to be imported. This is your last chance to double-check that the fields line up the way you expect. If everything looks good, click Finish Import. Pipedrive will then process your file and add the data into your account. Once it's done, you'll see your imported contacts, organizations, or deals in the appropriate sections, ready for you and your team to start working with.